Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily connect to them and disconnect from them in your Android phone. So, at first you have to take them out of the case. For example, the left one, because this is the one which we need to pair mode when connecting. And now, as you can see, if I go to settings and connect devices, here I can connect with my headphone now. Let's do this again. So as you can see, now I'm connected. So to connect, you have to have them turned on. So to turn them on, you just have to have your magnets not stick each other here. Now, as you can see, to disconnect, we have to tap this gear icon and tap disconnect. To connect back, we have to tap connect here. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.